welcome to the channel. I am driving my homeboy, Mr. Randy Bits, 2002 Acura RSX, turbocharged Acura RSX. This car pushes out a whopping 535 horsepower. Don't know the torque, forgive me, but this thing rips. I've known Randy for a total of like damn near 100 years, it feels like, and this is his pride and joy, as if just like how my Integra is my pride and joy. These are our babies, and I'm thankful he trusts me to drive this crazy ass car. When it comes to turbocharged RSXs that are not all-wheel drive, they don't like to drive straight. This car has temper tantrums like crazy. It doesn't know if it wants to go right, doesn't know if it wants to go left. No matter what you do, alignment, you do the rack thing, upside down outer tie rods. It's just, steering rack on this car is just so garbage that turbocharging an RSX is kind of pointless unless you want to go all-wheel drive. But the RSX to me is a great driving car. I don't know what it is, but like I prefer a bucket seat over like a reclinable seat. I don't know, bucket seats to me it just feels good. This is a great driving experience. Today's shifter, we have the Hybrid Racing V3 shifter, which in my opinion is the best overall shifter, no matter if you want drivability, if you want race car stuff. Its lack of components is what makes it great. You don't have a million outlet keys in case they go loose. You don't have to worry about very minuscule things when it comes to a shifter. Should be able to shift your car, make the throw shorter or longer depending on how you want it, and hybrid delivers on that across the board. You don't have to worry about, well, this is adjustable. Well, if you want to adjust the way your hand feels, you can adjust it. Like, it's quick to the point, it's very efficient, and it works. You never hear anything bad about the shifters because it works. It works. Depth trap. This is a depth trap. 100%. 100%. You don't know which way it wants to go. It's just wild. Wild. Bernie has action clutches, Ironman clutch, which is a great clutch setup. The pedal feel is amazing. The Ironman clutch is in between like a regular standard stage clutch and a twin disc. It's like right in the middle, and it provides great feedback. I run this exact setup on my 2420 supercharged Integra, and it's been amazing, no issues. Discount code Zosh if you want to save 10% off on a clutch kit. Actually, I think it's 15% off. Whatever it is, you get a sick old discount. So holla at your boy. Yeah, this thing is wild. It just wants to go all over the place. Like, I can't even enjoy this thing. I don't know how Randy enjoys this thing, but it sounds so good though. Sounds so good. The exhaust note you guys probably hear, may or may not hear, is the Buddy Club Spec 2 exhaust, which is by far the best damn exhaust ever. B series, K series, J series, I don't give a damn what series. Hell, the World Wrestling Federation series. This shit is amazing. 500-something horsepower. K-series transmissions are like glass, so you got to be careful of that. But this thing is Randy built a really pretty reliable setup. I believe this turbo setup is a 68, 62 turbo setup. I believe that's what his turbo setup is. If it's not, I'll put it on the screen. But if I don't put it on the screen, I mean it is. He compiled all his parts over the course of a couple months, actually. Different parts from different manufacturers, different brands, and all things of that nature. I have a complete build list down in the description box below of what all has been done to it, because I honestly, off the top of my head, do not know. But it's a very reliable setup. The car was tuned by Hobby. But bro, turbo RSX without all-wheel drive is just scary, bro. It just wants to go all over the place. It's its own beast, bro. It's its own beast. I hope and pray to all the car gods that Pro Car Innovations get it right with their products to get the RSX driving in a straight line, bro. Like, it's not even torque steer at this point. It's just a death trap. 100% death trap. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like on the video, subscribe. If you want your car reviewed and you live in Florida, or you want to travel to Florida and let me drive it, email down below. That'd be awesome. Follow Randy's Instagram build at Randlow, link in the description box below. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll be sure to catch you guys